Tesla's rally continues. Today, Tesla hit 409.73, just shy of our 415 target, before closing around 400. This move confirms the strength of the breakout we've been tracking all week. But what's next? Are we about to see new all-time highs? Or will sellers step in for a pullback to key supports? A weekly close above 416.95 triggers another buy signal, setting up the next price objective at 433.10. Let's dive into Tesla's chart and the key levels you need to know this week. In our last update, we identified 405 as a critical resistance level, and Tesla delivered. Today's push to 409.73 confirmed that this area was strong, but not quite a ceiling. Buyers are still firmly in control. Earlier this week, we discussed 377 as an excellent entry point. Sure enough, Tesla found support at that level, and buyers showed up in force. If you joined us in the Discord and loaded up on calls, you caught a textbook move. Congratulations. These support levels continue to play a critical role as Tesla climbs. Now that Tesla has tested 409, our immediate upside target is 415. This level aligns with prior highs and could act as a double top resistance where short-term traders look to take profits. If Tesla manages a weekly close above 416.95, it would trigger a fresh buy signal with the next price objective at 433.10. This setup would signal further momentum and put new all-time highs on the table. All right. Let's talk about Tesla's key breakdown levels and where we need to be cautious this week. So, as long as price holds above 390, all is good, and the trend is higher with the fist by level support at 410 and the next upside target at 430.52 and 448, and above that 456.25, with an ultimate destination to the top of a 5-year channel around the 511 level. The first key level to really hold that I'm watching is 390. If Tesla closes below this level, it would be the first real sign of short-term momentum breaking down. Why 390? It lines up with recent price action and acts as a psychological support zone where buyers tend to show up. If we lose 390, it's a heads up that momentum is starting to shift. If we see a close below 390, then that brings the must-hold level of 377 into focus. As long as Tesla keeps closing above 377, then I see no reason to be short. Now, if Tesla closes under 377, that's where things get more concerning. 377 has been a strong support level where buyers really stepped in before. If it breaks, that's not just a warning. It's a clear signal that sentiment is shifting and downside risk starts to pick up. One of our members made $13,000 trading Tesla in a single week using the exact levels I shared in the last video, and he gets our options trades in real time. Want real-time options, trade alerts, or access to our live trading room? Click the link in the description and don't miss the next move. In the event we see price close below the 377 level, then the absolute must-hold level in the near term is 363. Any close below the 10-day moving average is a classic sell signal. Price could close below that and reclaim it the next day, but pro traders will likely sell a close below the 10-day moving average and wait for a confirmation that price can't hold that key level in the next session or two, which is currently sitting around 363 or even 362 to be safe. A close below this level would mean Tesla's short-term trend is breaking down. That's a big deal because the 10-day moving average has been supporting this recent rally, and losing it would signal that buyers are stepping back and cautious selling could begin. Any close below the 10-day increases the odds of a major breakdown targeting the 348 level or 20-day EMA. Finally, if Tesla loses the 348 level, which is the 20-day EMA, that's a major breakdown. This would confirm broader momentum is weakening, and it could accelerate the selling pressure. At that point, we're no longer talking about a pullback. We're looking at a shift in the medium-term trend. So to recap, 390 is your first warning. 377 is where things get concerning. If Tesla loses 363, the short-term trend is in trouble, and 348 is the level where momentum really starts to break down. Keep an eye on these levels. They'll tell us where Tesla is headed next. The first area to watch is 390, which would be a natural spot for Tesla to test if buyers take a breather. Below that, 377 remains a critical level where buyers stepped in earlier. If we see a pullback, this area should attract strong interest again. Tesla remains comfortably above its 20-day EMA at 348 and the 50-day MA at 289, which are acting as dynamic supports. This confirms that Tesla is still in a strong uptrend. The RSI is currently at 75, which is edging into overbought territory. This doesn't mean Tesla will reverse immediately, but it does suggest that a short-term pause or pullback could be healthy. Volume remains elevated, signaling strong interest from buyers. As long as volume holds up on rallies, this move has legs. The bigger picture here remains bullish. Tesla has cleared multiple resistance levels, showing buyers are in control, but we're also nearing areas where short-term sellers could start locking in gains. If Tesla holds 400 and pushes through 415, the next upside targets are 416.95 and then 433.10. However, any pullback to 390 or 377 would present strong opportunities for new entries if buyers show up again. So what do you think? Will Tesla break through 415 and trigger a run to 433, or are we about to see a pullback to test support at 390 or 377? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this analysis, hit that like button, subscribe for more actionable stock breakdowns, and share this video with fellow traders. Thanks for watching.